now that you have learned about an introduction to tax, we want to get into more of the taxation concepts. So this unit will be using the income tax formula. So you'll see the next 5 chapters will all be related to the income tax formula. So this chapter here, chapter 4, is going to give you a brief introduction to all of the different concepts within the tax formula. And you will see the remaining 4 chapters, so chapters 5 through 8, will get more in depth with each of those concepts. So we just want to briefly introduce the concept of the income tax formula in this chapter, and then we'll get more in depth as we go. You'll also see in this chapter, we also will talk about dependency. So how do you determine who will qualify as a dependent, and also the taxpayer's filing status. So how do we determine which filing status a taxpayer is going to use? So the different filing statuses are married filing jointly, married filing separately, single, head of household, etc. So you will see how exactly you determine that and how you determine who is a dependent of the taxpayer. So we want to start off with the income tax formula. So we're going to start with what is our gross income. And then we're going to get into our 4 AGI deductions. So you'll hear for AGI and from AGI. So you'll want to pay attention to this concept here. 4 AGI deductions are going to be before we calculate our AGI, or adjusted gross income. So we have our gross income minus our 4 AGI deductions, give us our adjusted gross income, or AGI. And then we take our from AGI deductions. So you'll see what those from AGI deductions are. So think about them as we are taking them from AGI, and that'll give us our taxable income. We will multiply that taxable income times our tax rate, and that'll give us our income tax liability. So again, this chapter is just going to give you a brief introduction on each of the concepts within the formula. If you have any questions, please reach out, and we hope you have a great day.